Give me just 2 minutes and let me talk honestly about the excuses we make when it comes to English speaking. Maybe you tell yourself, I don't have anyone to practice with. I understand that, but think about it for a moment. If nobody is around, are you going to stop learning? No. You don't need a perfect grammar. You don't need a perfect environment to begin. There is another excuse. My vocabulary is too weak. Maybe it is, but waiting until you know thousands of words will only keep you waiting. Take the words you already know and use them. A small vocabulary that you actually use is more useful than a huge vocabulary sitting in a notebook. And maybe you say, my grammar is bad. Yes, your grammar may have mistakes. Mine can have mistakes too. But mistakes are not a reason to remain silent. You improve by using the language, noticing your mistakes, and trying again. When it comes to peer, people will laugh at me. Maybe someone will. But ask yourself something. Will those people build your future for you? Absolutely no. They will go home. They'll forget what you said, but you will still have your dream. So don't give strangers the power to decide whether you speak or stay silent. And then we say, I don't have time. But sometimes we spend an hour scrolling, watching random videos, or checking our phones again and again. I'm not saying you have to study for hours. Just give English 10 honest minutes. 10 minutes of speaking can be the beginning of something much bigger. And finally, there is the most dangerous excuse. That is, I'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow sounds harmless, but tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next month. And one day you look back and realize that you have been waiting for years. So please understand this. Solve your problem yourself. Because nobody is coming to fix your English for you. A teacher can guide you, a video can teach you, a friend can encourage you, but you have to take the first step. You are the person who has to open your mouth. You are the person who has to practice. You are the person who has to keep going when nobody is watching. So don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait for the perfect grammar. Don't wait until you feel confident. Start now. Say one sentence. Make a mistake. Say it again. And tomorrow do a little better than today because your English will not change when you wish for it. I will change when you decide to work for it. So I'm Hizbullah. This is your Hizb. Your English journey is in your hands.